How far would you go for a smile of your dreams? Well, you don't have to go too far if you live here in Northeast Ohio, because dentist Stephen Marsh has made smile dreams come true for so many patients. Dr. Marsh joins us now. Doctor, thanks so much for being here. Let me go back into your roots, if you will, all right?
Love to.
Let's talk about your dad.
My dad was a dentist. He practiced for almost 50 years. He had a private practice here in Cleveland. He had a number of different locations. My mom was a teacher, and he always encouraged us to do what we could for the community. So being a dentist and focusing on smiles is something that sort of continues his tradition.
So you're a chip off the old tooth, if you will. All right, so let me ask you this. When did it first hit you that, you know what, I think I want to be a dentist?
Actually, my senior year of undergraduate, I actually was in radio and TV and psychology. I took all the requirements just in case.
Right.
And my dad and I had a heart-to-heart one day, and he thought I could sort of follow in his footsteps, and it turned out to be the right thing for me.
What do you think the best thing is about being a dentist?
I think it's changing lives. We know how difficult it is to go to the dentist, whether it's pain or you want to make yourself look better. We try to do it in a way that my parents always advocated, which was treating people the way you want to be treated. And I think whatever the profession is, if you do it, you'll be very successful, and you'll be helping the world as well.
Yeah, that's great advice. Speaking of the world, people, how about this for a transition? People come from all over the world, so to speak, to come and see you. They then, not just here in Northeast Ohio, they travel.
Well, they do, anywhere from Akron or Vermilion to Florida. And that's especially gratifying to have people come from a distance to see us. So we always try to do the right thing for them and make it worth their while.
Well, let's start with a patient who didn't drive too far, but still, it's a drive from Akron. Let's check this out.
Sure. And this is Sharon, very unhappy, in her 40s, wanted to go out and date and didn't feel very comfortable, as you can see, Joe. And so we were able to use porcelain veneers. We did 6 at this point. We'll do more in the future. This is what she was able to invest at this time. She said it was life-changing. And this is Warren. Warren is in his 70s. He was about to get married, lives in Vermilion with his wife. They saw us actually on a segment here on a Sunday morning, Joe. They made the trip in a few times, and we changed Joe's teeth that were, or Warren's rather, that were all over the place to give him that beautiful smile.
My goodness.
So Richard, he's on a boat, and he comes all the way from Florida, and he broke off his front teeth right around COVID. We actually came in and did some bridge work, some porcelain veneers to give him a smile at age 21 he's pretty proud of.
That's awesome.
And last win, another Floridian. We have a lot of Floridians, as we do in Cleveland, who spend time in both places. He was going into politics. He wanted to have a beautiful smile. Lower reshaping and 10 porcelain veneers allowed him to run for office.
Doctor, we're watching, it's like the greatest hits for you. It's got to be so gratifying to see that, the before and afters. We love them.
Well, thank you. It's nice of you to say. When I talked about earlier about being life-changing, when they verbalize that to me and they take a big smile, we actually have videos of those on YouTube of patients we've taken those videos.
The reveal?
The reveal.
Yeah.
And when you see that, it's wonderful for me, it's wonderful for them, and makes it all worthwhile.
Well, I'll tell you what, whether you're near or far, it is worth reaching out to Dr. Marsh and his team. You can simply give them a call at 440-461-1003 or log on to their aptly named website, clevelandsmiles.com. Great name for a website. Doctor, thank you so much.
My pleasure, Joe.